Let's say you have an image that you've used in multiple places on your site, but now you've updated it. There's a newer version you want to use. It would be a pain to go through all of your previous posts, locate each instance of the image, and replace it with the new one that you just uploaded. With WordPress, by default, that's what you'd have to do. But I'm about to show you a plugin that can make your life a lot easier. In this example, I'll be using our company logo. You see the file name listed here. This is what's used to insert this image into a bunch of our pages. Now we want to use a different version of our logo, but not have to update the file name. We'll do this using the Enable Media Replace plugin. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. Search for Enable Media Replace. It should be the first result. We're going to click Install Now, and then click Activate. Now let's return to our media library and open up the image that we want to replace. You'll see a new option has been added called Replace Media. First, let's click the Upload a New File button. Now I'm going to click Choose File and select my new logo file. We'll leave the first option selected to just replace that file. And finally, click the Upload button. You'll see a message that confirms your image has been updated and your new image should appear on screen. This works with all file types, not just images. For example, you could use it to update a PDF or a popular zip file that you provide as a download.